Four down linemen out altogether. And then
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and this is another radio that Jeff loaned me from his big collection of radios. This is a VISCOUNT radio. Believe it or not, as small as it is, it's a 5-tube radio, and boy, it does get warm. About 1960s vintage. Jeff put in his notes to note these little diamonds here. Those are markers for the frequencies for the Canal Rad emergency stations. That was back in this time frame, 1960, when there was concern about nuclear attacks, and the government had set up a control of electromagnetic radiation transmitting capability that would broadcast into this AM band, medium wave band. Also notice over here it's marked BC, and then over here it's marked KC, kilohertz. Kilocycles. That's the term they used to use back in there for frequencies. Kilocycles. And I had the hardest time converting to say kilohertz, and now I have a hard time going back to say kilocycles. So anyway, again, 5-tube radio was sold under many different brand names. Jeff found this at a thrift shop for $5, and he had it electronically restored by the Florida radio doctor. Reception is good for a little 5-tube radio. Even though reception was good, the gentleman at the Florida radio doctor added an external wire for connecting an external antenna. Now, I don't have a problem receiving medium wave here in my area, and this radio works fine. I don't have to attach anything to that wire. So let's just turn it on and tune it real quick. It is susceptible to interference. Okay, what happened? Oh. The one thing I forget is with old tube radios, you had to wait for the tubes to warm up before you got any reception. So that was a delay there. So we're getting noise from my lights. Yeah, you can hear that constant interference.
I didn't like business.
So it's struggling with that interference.
The entirety of this
mainly, I think mainly that interference is coming from my fluorescent lights. But it's doing okay. Sound is a little tinny, well, small speaker. Turn it around here. It's a little radio. So it's nice and vented back here, which it needs to. I mean, even that metal bar is kind of warm already. So model 503, made by Consolidated S.M. Corporation. And there was a little diagram of the tubes, I think, right there. And here's the pastel colors, which in the 1960s were very popular. These pastel, this is aqua, I think. Pretty cool radio. Thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm doing shows that you're interested in and not wasting your time. And have a great day. Bye-bye.